I hope you will take precaution while blow drying your hair or while using your color or for combing your hair in such a way in which I have described, and you will get rid of your split ends. At least you will reduce the amount of split end formation. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar from Papillon Hair World. I am the founder of Papillon Hair World. I am doing medical practice and treating hair loss patients for more than 30 years. Very commonly, I feel that many patients complain of dry hair, and even many of them complain of a split ends. So today in this video, we are going to see 5 major causes of split ends. Just remember, split ends cannot happen suddenly. The split ends always follow the excessive dryness of the hair, and if that dryness is not treated properly, and if you go on neglecting the dryness of the hair for a longer time, then you are going to land into the problem of split ends. What is split ends? Each and every hair, almost 40-50% of the hair gets split at the end. That is what the split ends is. Now we will see the different causes of split ends. First, most important is coloring of your hair very often, and mainly coloring doing at home. When you have got more than 50% gray hair, what happens is, if you want to make that hair look black or look normal, you have to do a frequent coloring. What happens is, it may happen that it will not be affordable for you to go regularly to the hair salon and do it. So most of the times it happens that whatever touch up you do after 2 to 3 weeks time, normally you try to do it at home. This happens mainly in female clients. So if you try to do that at home, what happens because of that? 2 things happens. One is you buy the market product, against which in salons you can get extraordinarily good products like L'Oreal or Vela or Matrix. At home you buy the local product. Number 2, application of color at parlor requires marginally 15 to 20 minutes, while when you do it at home and when you are alone, that required time for application varies from 30 to 50 minutes. So that much amount of hair dye exposure you get extra onto your hair. After that, once you finish up the application, normally the exposure time should not be more than 20 to 25 minutes, which normally done in beauty salons. At home, if you do it, then you forget about the exact time, at what time you have finished. You go on doing other works, and it happens that you may keep that color onto the hair for almost 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. And these 2 things, one is wrong use of a color, another is extra time required for coloring, and third is extra exposure of the coloring. All these 3 things makes the hair dye, because hair color contains hydrogen peroxide, which gives the irritation and dryness to the hair. So most common reason for split ends is doing color at home. Many times if you are coloring the hair globally, or if at all you are highlighting the color, what happens is, instead of 20% hydrogen peroxide, you use 20 volume hydrogen peroxide, which is much stronger, and if at all it is kept on a hair for 40-50 minutes, it definitely gives rise to extra dryness, giving rise to split ends. So always remember, wrong coloring and doing coloring at home is a very important reason for formation of the split ends. What is the second commonest reason? Second commonest reason is using heating instruments for styling the hair, like hair dryers, hot irons and curling irons, or curling rods we can say. What happens is, when you use a dryer on high speed and with extra heat, the moisture onto the hair disappears and even the natural secreted oil from the hair disappears and the hair becomes dry. Same thing happens with hot irons or curling rods also. So if you are using hair dryer or these other instruments for more than 2 to 3 times a week, you are bound to get excessive dryness leading to the split ends. The third commonest examination is wrong brushing method for your hair. Many people has got a habit of combing the hair when it is wet. Always remember, if you want to comb your hair for styling purpose, hair has to have a towel dry and you have to dry the hair at least 70 to 80%. And after that you must use a long tooth comb or a vent brush to comb the hair and to style the hair. If you comb in this manner, then the chances of getting hair damage and dry becomes very less. Fourth important cause of formation of the split ends is, always remember, wrong use of shampoos or excessive use of shampoos. What happens is, if the person has got a dry hair or a normal hair, and if you use very harsh shampoos like Head and Shoulder or Sunsilk Black or any herbal shampoos, they make hair drier and drier. At the same time, if at all you are using excessive use of a shampoo, for example, normally the men require around only 2 to 3 ml of a shampoo, while females require around maximum 5 ml of a shampoo. And if you are using much more quantity than this, then you are definitely going to get hair drier and drier. So perfect quantity of a shampoo and perfect use of shampoo definitely prevents the split end formation, and it becomes the important reason for formation of the split ends. Most important, another reason, the fifth important reason for formation of the split ends, which I have realized is one of the commonest, is application of oil to the hair strands. In females, majority times, especially if they are putting a ponytail or putting the veni, what we say in Marathi, then they put lot of oil for hair before they put the ponytail. And application of oil to the hair strands requires extra quantity of a shampoo next day, and you land into vicious chain of application of oil, application of extra shampoo, giving rise to dryness, giving rise to split ends. So I have explained you 5 most important reasons for the split ends. I hope you will take precaution while blow drying your hair or while using your color or for combing your hair in such a way in which I have described, and you will get rid of your split ends. At least you will reduce the amount of split end formation. If you have got any questions related with this split ends, you can ask us below. And if you like this video and if you want to see much more videos related with the hair problems, please subscribe our channel. Dr. Vinay Koparkar from Papillon Hair World. Thank you.